Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today, I'm going to talk about the present perfect continuous tense. Let's get started. If you remember from my previous lessons, for the continuous tense, we use is or are after the subject, or if it's in the past tense, we use was or were, and then we add ing to the action word. For example, the boy is studying math. And in my last lesson, we talked about the present perfect tense, where we add have or has after the subject and then a past participle. For example, she has worked here for 3 years. The present perfect continuous combines the present perfect and the continuous forms. So we have the subject, we have or has, and then we use the past participle of be, which is been, and then we add a verb with an ing ending. For example, I have been playing soccer all morning. Or she has been teaching for 10 years. Remember, to make have or has negative, we add not, or for the short form, we say haven't or hasn't. So for the negative present perfect continuous, we would say, you haven't been doing your homework. And just like in the present perfect form, if we want to ask a question, we add the have or has before the subject. So we could say, has it been snowing in France? You might be wondering, what is the difference between the present perfect and the present perfect continuous? The present perfect is an action that has been completed, such as I have eaten the pizza. The present perfect continuous is an action that might have been completed or it might still be ongoing. I've been eating the pizza. We don't know if I have finished the pizza, but I've been eating it. This concludes today's lesson about the present perfect continuous. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Shukran. Bye.